In this video, we are going to show you how to add snippets on Shopify. Now, this might be a bit daunting, but bear with me. This is going to be fast and easy. So if you want to add snippets on your Shopify, and I would assume that you already have the codes for the snippets you want to add, it's actually not that hard. So what you want to do is after you logged in and once you are in your admin dashboard, click on your online store options on the left-hand side like so. There you go. And once you are under themes, which is the default page you're going to be shown, you want to click on the three dots here beside edit theme. When you do that, this pop-up will appear, and here you want to click on edit code, right? So click edit code and a new tab will appear here. This is going to be where the back end of your Shopify store is going to be located. And again, it's not going to be hard. So once you are here, you want to look towards your left-hand side again and click on snippets. This drop-down will appear. So here, if you want to add the snippet, all you need to do is hover your mouse here. It says new file. There are a few options here. Click new file like so, and just name your new file whatever you want to name, for example, test. And you need to follow the options here. Test the actions.liquid, right? You need to be putting .liquid because that's pretty much the file type for your code here on Shopify. And then click the enter like so. And there you go. This is going to be your test actions.code. This is going to be where your test snippet is going to be located. And once you are here, you can now add the code that you want to add for that specific snippet here. And again, this is the assumption that you already have something ready. And just put it here and then click save and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.